Hello everyone. Someone just asked me a question. Is PayPal still working for you? Let me show you something, guys. That is legit. That is real money. Okay? $5,790. So just for the last week, from March 6th till today, March 12th. So that is the balance. So this is how much I can withdraw and how much I have in my balance. So if I refresh for you, as I know a lot of you like this, so just refresh to make you see it's legit and you can see the amount still intact. For those of you who said this guy is still posting past video, it's still working. The problem is I am really busy nowadays to make video for you guys because I'm doing coaching one-to-one to people. So if some of you already take my training and you want the coaching, so you will have to pay for the coaching because the coaching gonna be me live with you, help you set up your ads and everything, and help you have your first $1,000 with PayPal. So guys, this is why you don't see me posting more updates, but I still running ads. So let me show you a free and a cool method that you can use if you don't have money to promote ad using Google Ads or Bing Ads for PayPal. You can use Pinterest because Pinterest is something that bring a lot of sales and a lot of click. So you can see just for the month I have 800 views for my pin. I post a lot of pin in different niches like affiliate marketing, and I have an Etsy store that I just create and I start receiving some sales from this store, and I try to post some of the content that I just create on that Etsy store. So you can see I receive some visits. You can see 4 visits. So people go and click on your pin. So one thing I want to show you very quickly. Let me show you one of my pin that received click. You see this one receive 1 click, and this click will end up that people gonna go to my website and buy something. This is the same thing I do for like the PayPal. So I have a landing page that I always show you guys, which is um, this landing page. This is a landing page about pest control. I create different type of pin for this landing page, and whenever people go to this landing page using the pin that I just create, I make money. So that's the whole idea. So anyone can do this. So you will need a website. So honestly, you will need a website. So I always suggest everyone, if you need a website, you can go to type Vanel Sylvester. If you need a website just for $3, let me show you how easy and quick you can do. You can have it. How quick and easy you can have it. So let me just go to this and show you guys. So let's say you want to go to vanelsylvester.com/HostGator. HostGator, I'm an affiliate for them, and I know that they have a good service because I launched my website with them. You can see HostGator. You're gonna type vanelsylvester.com/HostGator, and boom, you're gonna go there and create a website. Why you will need a website? Instead of paying for your landing page that you will have to pay every month, but if you have a website and you just pay, like you see, $3 per month, you can pay the whole year to have a website. Around $50 you have for the whole year. So you will never pay again for a website, but you can create multiple landing page like I have. You can see this landing page. I can create a landing page for almost everything, and you can see you can have ad on the landing page or on the website that generate some cash for you, and you just pay only $50 or $70 the whole year. So guys, I will put a link on the description about HostGator. You can use it Just for $3, you create a website. And what you will do when you have a website, you can see Pinterest will not accept you if you don't have a verified website. So if I go on my name here, let me just go on my profile and show you. So Pinterest will never accept you if you don't have a website. You can see my website has been verified by Pinterest because it is on my name. They give me a code to put on the website and I go back and put the code and I have my website verified. So what's gonna happen? Pinterest gonna push every pin that you post. So just imagine I wanna post about something, let's say flight booking bundle. Let's say you find something like this on any of the pay-per-code network and you want to promote. So let's say, okay, let me just put flight booking. So let's say you find something like this. You can see this keyword has over 1 million search per month on Pinterest. So it's like free traffic that you're gonna have. You can see that the competition is 51, so it is still pretty decent. You can see people that post about this. You see, there are a lot of room for people who want to find some click and some phone calls. You can see these are pins. You're gonna copy one of these pins and create your own pin if you want to promote them. So let's say we go back to Market Code and you go to offer. Okay, let's say you go to offer right here. You can see these are offer. Let give you an example of an offer related to okay, let's just filter by travel to see what's gonna pop up. Sorry for my internet, it's a little bit slow. Okay, you see I filter by travel, so you can see there are some company ready to pay you over $22, $20 just to make someone call them. That's a good idea. So you're gonna go on Pinterest. Once you apply for one of these offer, you go to Pinterest and you create some pins like this. So let show you a practice, a live proof how I create the pin using Canva. So let's say I'm on Canva right now and I want to create a pin. I'm going to show you. You just type, let's say, Pinterest. And I will go to Pinterest pin because I want to create a pin for Pinterest. So when you choose Pinterest, it's going to give you the wheel sizing, the wheel format that you can use to have your pin like this one. Okay, like this one, this pin. So these people are receiving a lot of clicks because 1 million visitors, as you can see, 1 million visitors per month. So you will receive a lot of clicks and a lot of calls for free. So what I do, I just create a new design. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna type travel. As you can see, travel was already there, but you can, on the template, you can choose travel. So I can take any of these pin, as you can see about travel, and I will edit them, make them become mine, make them become, it's like it's my pin. So here you can just create any of these or you can start from scratch, but you don't have to start from scratch. You can just take any of these and you upload it to your Pinterest account. So let's say I want to take this one. Okay, no, let me take something that is very interesting. Okay, let's take this one. So if I just zoom for you guys so you can see how it looks like. So you see, this is a cool pin. You can edit it, put your text, your own text, edit anything you see on it. So you can just edit and put anything, uh, and you save it. I'm gonna show you how to use it. You just edit. It's editable. Anyone can edit it. You just edit, put the information that you find from the offer on Market Call, from any offer Market Call. Just try to follow the guideline, and go back on Pinterest, and boom. I already download. Okay, let me just download this just to show you how it works. I'm not gonna go all the way through, but I'm just gonna show you how these things work. So you're gonna go to uh, here. You're gonna go to create when you're on Pinterest, and you create a pin. When you create a pin, you're gonna find um, uh, you're gonna try to create something similar to what you see on Pinterest. So here, this is where I'm gonna put my design. I just drag it and put it right here. So this is what people are gonna see. So that's gonna be my design. The title gonna be Tour to Thailand. So this is about the same ID. So what I like with Pinterest, here you can explain it. You can say, do you dream of visiting Thailand? Yes, you come to the right place. We are offering, so it's something that may be like eye-catching, and people looking for travel or what to visit new destination may be interested about it. We are offering a travel to Thailand this summer. Make sure you click, you check this out. Make sure you check this out. So that is it. So here, make sure you put an alt text. What is alt text? It's like a text that you just put that explain the SEO, the search engine optimization, about the keyword you want when people type on uh, Pinterest to find you. Because I type travel bundle. So travel bundle, this is the keyword that I want to rank on Pinterest. So I put this, and this is where you're gonna put your affiliate link or the link you receive from Market Call. Let's say let me take this example. Let's say I put this link, which is my link. So Pinterest will not block you because it's the website gonna be on your name. This is why I say you need to have a website on HostGator for just $3. So just type vanelsilvest.com/hostgator. So you can see HostGator like this, vanelsilvest.com/hostgator, and you will have this price. You see the price you see right here, $3, you will have it. So I will put a link on the description about the website so you can use it. So you can start making money like this. So it's easy. So every time someone click on your link or on your landing page, so you make money. So just to finish the ID, so here we're gonna be the link of my landing page that I create just for the offer. So you're gonna do the same thing. You're gonna create a link for this. Boom. When you do this, so it's okay now. So you're gonna publish this, but you will have to create what we call a board for this. What is a board? But this is a place where you put all similar pins, all pins that has something in common, something that make them is like related to the same subject. So you create a board. Let's say I create a board and name it travel. So I'm gonna put this one on it and just click create travel, because I already have a name like this. Let's say travel bundle. So if I would like to apply for something like related to uh, flight booking, so to get this money, I'm gonna create a pin like this and publish it. So when I publish this, what's gonna happen? I publish the pin. So the spin gonna be live on Pinterest. Whenever someone click on this, and land to my page, if they end up calling on the phone number, I'm gonna make money. So this is how you do it if you don't have money. But if you do have money, like me, to spend, you can use Google Ads. And I have a coaching for Google Ads. If you need me to coach you, I can help you to set up your ad on Google Ads and start making money. So here you can see, I just published this. If I click see your pin, that's gonna be the pin that I just created. So anyone can use this method. It's easy as I said. So you see the pin that I just created. Someone gonna learn to this page and maybe call on the phone number that they give me. If they stay a certain amount of second or minutes, like on this phone number you see right here, I make money. That's the whole idea. Not only I'm making money using the pay-per-call, you can see ads all over my landing page because the website is my website. I monetize it using Google Ads. So guys, I hope this video bring you a lot of value. If you do find value, make sure you share this video with your friend, you comment, and you try to replicate every step I show you. So you can see that is my pin I just create. So if someone click on this pin, as you can see, they're gonna go to the landing page, which is this page that I have right here. So let's try to see what's gonna happen. Let's say someone just click here on this, so they're gonna go straight to the page, which is my offer. So that is the ID. Make sure guys, if you are for the first time on this page, you hit the subscribe button, you share with your friend, and if you want to learn what is pay-per-call affiliate marketing, you better click on the link, the first link on the description about my training. And today only, it is only for $100. You will learn step by step how to start making money using pay-per-call. It was your friend as always, Vanel. Bye-bye.